found a bullet. Saw it right through a bullet. Had a little bit of that blue staining. It's pretty wild. So that bullet was contained in that one board there. Well, I guess the other board too. You can see where the staining is. I'll flip this over and show you guys. But look at that. I can tell it's lead just because it's kind of more of a dull sheen. And there's no damage to the blade. The sawmill blade is still sharp. Had no problem cutting. And lead is very soft. I think it's a bullet. It looks like it has some copper on the sides. That's pretty wild.